right, so let's talk about steps to Cramer's rule, because that's really what we want, right? We want something that's nice and organized and makes this stuff easy to understand. So we have a formula. That's what you guys had a chance to review on Thursday and Friday. Create a rectangular 2x3 matrix, label your columns, then create a square matrix with X and Y columns to solve for D. That's your determinant. All right, so the determinant is just AD minus BC. Then create a square matrix with number and Y columns and solve for D sub X. Variable you're solving for gets replaced with, so the numbers, it's just our answer column or the constant column right here. So in the general form, it's EF. Over here, the number looks like this. So XY number, XY number. All right, that's all that means, guys. Then create a square matrix with X and number columns and solve to get D sub Y. And step number 5, then you just solve for X and Y. And you're solving in terms of or in relation to the determinant of the coefficient matrix. Then you want to check to make sure your answer makes sense. All right, so here I just went back to this other slide and I put those into this form right here. So X, Y, number. So if we want to solve for D sub X, we take number and Y. If we want to solve for D sub Y, we take X, and we take that number column. And same thing with each of these. If we want that determinant, we just do the AD minus BC. So AD minus, right, so 8 times 5 minus 11 times 4. 2 times 11 minus 3 times 8. That's all that we do, guys. Now, what happens here, I can solve a 2x2 system by using determinants. So if we go through here and we write out the X, Y, and numbers, number being the constant, if we just want the determinant, so we put X and Y. So 4, 3, 3, negative 7. So our determinant is AD minus BC. So 4 times negative 7 minus 3 times 3. So negative 28 minus 9, negative 37. All right, now here for D sub X, all right, we need the numbers. So negative 4, 34, and we need Y, 3, negative 7. So we do our AD minus BC. So that becomes 28 minus, so 3 times 34, 30, 60, 90, 12 minus 102. So that becomes negative 74. And in D sub Y, we take X, 4, 3, and we take the numbers, negative 434. So we do AD minus BC. So 120, so 136 minus negative 12, 148. All right, so X is equal to D sub X all over the determinant, and Y is equal to D sub Y all over the determinant. So that's going to be negative 4. So our answer is 2, negative 4.